Let's go into the embroidery side of the machine, and we're going to create a stipple around a design. We're going to go into our Kids Corner tab once again. This time I'm going to scroll up and down. I'm looking for another design to play with for our tutorial. I'm going to decide on the little bird. So I'm going to select the little bird. We'll touch Set. And now you see the little bird on my screen on the embroidery side of the machine. We're going to touch Edit at the top, and then we're going to choose our icon on the right that looks like the flower with stippling around it. You'll notice in the upper right hand corner I'm seeing millimeters. I want to see inches, so I'm going to go to my settings page, turn to page 8 by touching the arrows, and at the top once again I'm going to touch the arrow until I see inches and select OK. Now in the upper right hand corner the embroidery hoop sizes appear in inches. I'm going to select the arrows, and that's going to allow me to see different size of hoops that the machine recognizes. You'll notice that every once in a while I have a gray shadowing right there. That means that design's not going to fit in that hoop size. I'll continue to just touch my arrows until I get to the hoop size that I want to use. I'm going to use my 9.5 by 9.5. Next, we can decide how close we want the stippling to come to the embroidery design. So as I touch plus, you'll see the outer little area around the bird kind of move away from the bird. You're kind of seeing a line there. And that's just helping me see how far away from the design that my stippling is going to start. The bottom part now is where we can decide the spacing of the stipple. That means how larger the stipple will be or how small the stipple will be. Once I kind of decide, I'm going to touch preview, and it's going to give you a preview of your stippling. See, that stippling's kind of tight. It's pretty, but let me show you how to make it larger. Let's touch the plus, and that's going to make it larger. We'll touch preview. Once again, now you see the stippling around your little bird. I like that stippling, so I'm going to touch OK, and then I'll touch embroidery. And now your design is ready to stitch. Try this method on other embroidery designs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to have my Facebook group, my Instagram, and my YouTube channel noted here at the end, so definitely pop over there, like, join, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time on the next tutorial.